Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Want to play Candy Crush but don't know how to install it? Let me show you the fastest way. So let's get started. First, if you're on Android, open the Google Play Store. If you're using iPhone, open the Apple App Store. Now use the search icon at the bottom right and the search bar at the top and type Candy Crush Saga. Locate the official app and tap on it. Now tap install or get button and wait for it to download and install automatically. Once installed, tap play. You can sign in with Facebook or play as a guest to start crushing candies right away. And that's it. You have got Candy Crush ready to play. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick app guides. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.